Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what type of ban you're facing and collecting proof. Once done, capture screenshots and record exact timestamps, devices, and any messages. Make sure your device is clean. Run an antivirus scan and change your Growtopia password immediately because compromised accounts trigger bans. Gather receipts for recent purchases and note the world and usernames involved. This evidence speeds support review and explains why you're asking for reinstatement. You now prepare and send a focused appeal to official Growtopia support. In the message, explain clearly what happened, attach your screenshots, receipts, and timestamps, and describe steps you already took like password change and malware scans. Once submitted, track the ticket and respond promptly to any follow-up questions from support. Make sure to remain polite and factual. Support teams act on documented, verifiable details, and cooperation shortens resolution time. You finish the recovery by complying with any support instructions and providing extra proof when asked. Once reinstated, lock the account down, enable account protections, remove unfamiliar devices, and review linked emails and payment methods. These steps reduce recurrence. If you receive no reply after a reasonable interval, follow up politely and use the official escalation path. Don't use unofficial or risky workarounds. Troubleshooting tip: if you suspect account theft, alert your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.